What's up, guys? It's me, Tato, back again with the recipes that make you wanna cook. On today's video, we are making this gorgeous chicken curry. Stay tuned. Let's get started, guys, and as usual, I will leave all the ingredients in the description box down below. Now we're gonna get started by adding some oil onto a hot pan or pot and add a little bit of butter as well. Now we're gonna let that melt, and you're gonna proceed with adding your medium onion, chopped, sliced, diced, honey, however you like it. And we're gonna go ahead and saute that for about 2 to 3 minutes. After a few minutes, you want to go ahead and add your crushed garlic and ginger, and then go ahead and saute that for another 30 seconds, just until you can start to perceive the smell of the garlic and ginger. And then after sauteing the garlic, go ahead and add your 2 tablespoons of curry paste. And also your 2 tablespoons of chutney. At this point, you can decide which flavor of chutney you want. You can go for the spicy, mango, whatever chutney that you like. And then about 1.5 tablespoons of mayonnaise. You can also substitute that for Greek yogurt. Stir everything together, and we're going to let that simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes, just until you see it bubbling. That's when you know it's ready. Just keep stirring it and avoid it burning. Alright, once it starts bubbling like that, you know it's ready. Just go ahead and stir it up to try and scrape it and prevent it from burning. You want to go ahead and proceed by adding your bay leaf, add your ground cumin, add your ground coriander, and then finally you're also going to add some thyme. Now you guys, if you've been on this channel, you know that honey, okay, thyme is the staple herb in this house. Okay, it's the girl she thinks she is. So go ahead and add your thyme. After that, you're going to stir everything in to mix together, and then continue to saute for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now look at that gorgeousness, guys. Just a gorgeous flavor bomb. Now after that, you're gonna go ahead and proceed by adding your chicken. Now mix in your chicken to coat with those beautiful flavors. And then we're going to go ahead to add our mother-in-law spice or masala. If you don't want it too spicy, you can reduce the amount of the masala and add enough salt. Go ahead and add your black pepper. Now I do want to say that when you add salt, please make sure that you add enough salt, because there was no spice that we added that had salt in there. The masala, the salt is moderately low, very low. You cannot taste it. And I like the curry paste because the salt content also, you can't literally not taste it. So make sure that you add enough salt so that it can, liven up all those flavors that you have built. After coating, you want to make sure that all the chicken pieces are in contact with the bottom of the pot. That is going to help with caramelization on the skin. Honey, it's going to be beautiful and golden brown. Now that is our stew simmering right there. And once it starts to simmer like this, that's when you can close your pot, reduce your heat, and continue to simmer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you're going to open your pot and you're going to see, honey, there's a lot of liquid in there. This is what I love about this recipe, guys. You don't have to add any stock, no water, unless you really want to. Okay, let the chicken do its thing and release its own moisture. This is after 15 minutes. You're going to go ahead and close it again and simmer it for another 30 minutes. Total cook time is 45 minutes to an hour until your chicken is tender and cooked through, honey. And once it's cooked, baby, oh babe, it looks so amazing, guys. I didn't have to add any packet soup, no stock, no water, and look at that sauce. Look at that. Oh, amazing. Just I'm getting flashback by just looking at this because it was so good. It turned out so good. This is the type of dish that you get everybody asking for second, third, fourth, fifth round, okay? Because it's that good. And it's a simple curry recipe. It does not break the bank at all. It's probably using ingredients that you already have in the kitchen, and it's simple. It does not need a whole lot of things like a typical curry recipe, and it's beautiful. Garnish with some green parsley, fresh parsley. And that's the recipe, guys. I hope you enjoy, and I will see you on the next one.